friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So in today's video we are going to be completing wave 5 of the Linea Voyage, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how I chased 2 birds with 1 stone, how I completed the core task and also one of the bonus tasks with 1 single interaction. So let's check the requirements for the core task. It simply says to provide liquidity to selected pairs, and of all the tokens available here, I'll be interacting with WSTTH. I apologize for the crazy dog that is barking. So I'll be choosing WSTTH, and then later I'll be telling you why I am choosing WSTTH. So let's go and check the requirements for the bonus task 1 as well. So I'll go back to Interact. So the bonus task 1 says to provide liquidity for a RWA or LST pair, minimum $25. So let's see the list of available tokens for bonus task 1. I'll tap on start, and then you can see among this list we also have WSTTH, and that is why you can be able to claim the 2 tasks with 1 transaction. So we'll be using WSTTH for our liquidity. Now we are done with token selection. Next is partner selection. So let's tap on next to see the available partners for the bonus task 1. So I will advise you don't skip anything on the screen so that you can see exactly what I am doing and then follow through with it. Now tap on next, and here are 4 available partners for the bonus task 1, and of these 4 partners, let's pick 2. We can see VeloCore and Izumi, right? So let's go and look at the core task partners and see if we can find Izumi and VeloCore as well. So I'll go back and then I'll tap on the core task. I'll tap on start. Tap on next. So here are the available partners for the core task, and in this list, yes, I can find Izumi and I can find VeloCore, but I'll be going for Izumi in this task. Okay, so we are done with both token and partner selection. We'll be interacting with WSTTH on Izumi dApp. Okay, so now I'll tap on start, then I'll tap on go to app. So tap on the profile icon on the top right of your screen to connect your wallet if your wallet is not connected already. So my address is connected and I am on the Linea network. So tap on top pools here, and then you can see the available pairing for their liquidity. I'll be going with the first one, WSTTH and ETH pool, and then I'll tap on add liquidity. However, I do not have any balance on WSTTH, and I need to have balance for me to be able to add to the liquidity pool, and so I will go to their swap section to swap some ETH for WSTTH, and then I'll be able to go ahead with the adding to liquidity task. Now, if you want to do this part, I just don't want to feature everything in this video so that I won't waste our precious times, okay? But if you want to do this part, make sure that when you are swapping to WSTTH, you do not swap any amount that is less than 0.018 ETH. That will give you about $27, okay? Remember that the minimum you're supposed to add to the liquidity pool is $25. So once you are done swapping, I did not feature that in this video, but it's just swap. Once you are done swapping, switch back to the liquidity tab, tap on top pools, and then go for the first pairing that you can see here, that is the WSTTH versus wrapped ETH. Tap on add liquidity, and then tap on max so that you can use everything that you have in your WSTTH balance. You can see that I have 0.018 worth of WSTTH, just like I advised. Now scroll to the bottom and then tap on approve WSTTH. When you tap on max for your WSTTH, the appropriate amount of ETH will be automatically added. So you want to make sure that normally you have over $50 worth of ETH in your wallet before coming to do this task. That is excluding gas fee. Now tap on approve. Then tap on create. to add your WSTTH pair to the liquidity pool. So ensure that you have more than $50 worth of ETH before you come to complete this task, and that does not include the cost of gas fee. Gas fee is extremely high on Linea, so you have to put that into consideration. Tap on confirm. Now if you look at the total amount here, you'll see that the amount I am adding to the liquidity pool is over $27. And remember that the minimum amount is $25, so you are safe if you followed everything I have said so far in this video. Now tap on confirm to finish adding it to the liquidity pool. So you can see the amount of WSTTH and ETH that I added to the liquidity pool here. So I have successfully added liquidity to the pool. I am going back to Interact to go and verify this task. So I'll be verifying the core task first. I'll tap on the core task, then tap on Start. Next, I'll verify the bonus task 1, but let's begin with the core task. Tap on Start, tap on Next, tap on Next again. Choose your partner. I used the Izumi, so I'll tap on that. Now tap on Start Verification, then check that tiny checkbox right there and then tap on Proceed. So while the verification is pending, I'll go back and then verify the core task 1 as well. Remember, with the single transaction that we made, we'll be able to verify both the core task and the bonus task 1. So I'll tap on bonus task 1 and I'll tap on Start. I'll tap on Next, tap on Next again, and then among the partners I'll choose Izumi. Then tap on Complete and then tap on Start Verification. Check the tiny checkbox and then tap on Proceed. So while the 2 verifications are pending, I'll go back and do bonus task 4, which is to review my favorite dApp on dApp Sheriff. So I'll tap on that, and then I'll tap on Start. Then I'll tap on Write a Review. So we just finished using Izumi, and that is the number 1 on my screen among the list of dApps here. So I'll just tap on Izumi. Oh, sorry, that's number 2. I'll tap on Izumi and then I'm going to write my review, give them whatever number of stars that you want. And then I'm going to tap on Leave Review. I'll go back to Interact and then I'll go to verify bonus task 4 as well. I'll tap on Verify, check the tiny checkbox and then tap on Proceed. So at this point, we have 3 verifications that are pending: the core task, bonus task 1 and bonus task 4. I'll come back after an hour and then see if everything has been verified or not. So I'm back after 1 hour and then I'm going to tap on Wave 5. Fortunately, all 3 tasks that are pending have been verified: the core task, the bonus task 1 and bonus task 4. So I'll be claiming their XPs respectively. I'll claim 150 XP for core task, 60 XP for bonus task 1 and 20 XP for bonus task 4. Now after claiming my XP, I am going back to Izumi and then I am going to be removing my money from their liquidity pool. So tap on the card and then tap on remove. Choose your percentage. I'll be removing 100%. Scroll to the bottom and then tap on remove. Tap on confirm. Liquidity removal successful. Now that I have my balance back in WSTTH, I'm going to be swapping my WSTTH back into ETH. So I'll go to their swap tab. I'll choose WSTTH, let it be on top, and then I'm going to tap on max to swap everything back to ETH. First, I'm going to approve WSTTH before I can swap it. Tap on next, and then tap on approve. Now the approval is successful, then you can now swap, so tap on swap. Tap on confirm. Swap successful. Now you can stop here, but if you have sufficient amount of ETH and you don't care about wasting like $5 or more extra gas fee, then you can go ahead and do bonus task 3. I'll be doing bonus task 3 now. So bonus task 3 says to provide liquidity to a single-sided liquidity pool, minimum $25. And this time I'll be going with ETH so that I won't have to be swapping from other tokens to ETH and then wasting gas fee. So from the available dApps, I'm going to be choosing DRI. That's the number 1 on the list. Then tap on go to app. So connect your wallet, you can see that on the top right. Then tap on next and tap on connect. Now scroll to the bottom and then switch to the Ethereum tab. Okay. Then make sure that you are on the deposit tab. You can see add, that's where you should be. Then indicate the amount of ETH that you want to add to the liquidity pool. Remember that the minimum is $25 worth of ETH. So I'll be adding 0.011. That should give a little over $25. 0.011. So tap on add liquidity. I am crying gas fee right now. Gas fee on Linea is too high. So you can see the transaction is successful. Then I am going back to Interact and then I'll be verifying bonus task 3 as well. So tap on start verification. Check that tiny checkbox and then tap on proceed. Then I'll come back after 1 hour to see if this task has been verified. So I am back after 1 hour, and then you can see the task has been verified, and then I can claim XP for it. That's extra 60 XP. So I'll tap on claim. XP has been successfully claimed. So I am happy. In this week's task, we are able to do 4 tasks out of 5, and we're able to get as much XP as possible, although it cost me gas fee. Okay, so I'll be going back to the RAI and I'll be removing my ETH from their liquidity pool. So remember to switch back to the ETH tab, and then at the bottom of your screen you want to switch to the remove tab. Here. Then indicate the percentage you want to remove. I am removing 100%, so I'll tap on remove liquidity. Tap on confirm. So ETH successfully removed from liquidity. You can see my liquidity balance showing 0. Let's go into my wallet. So at the beginning of this video, I think I had a little over $60 in my wallet in Linea ETH. And now I have $48 something cents left. So almost $20 has been spent over gas fee. So you just have to take that into consideration before you attempt this task. And this is why I always advise that you watch the video to the end so that you can be fully prepared before you start doing your own. So if you have any questions, do drop me a comment in the comment section or reach out in my Telegram channel. Ask me your questions there. Remember to follow me on Medium as well. You can find all the links that you need in the comment section for your own convenience. If you have found value in my content, make sure that you give me a like on this video, because that is how I can know. And also subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on any important update in the future. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.